It is 47 BC, and Cleopatra VII and Ptolemy XIII vie for the throne of Egypt. Julius Caesar supports Cleopatra's claim, but is outnumbered and besieged at Alexandria. His ally, Mithridates of Pergamon, marches into Egypt to relieve him. Ptolemy, intending to defeat this army, travels down the Nile River to meet them. However, it is Caesar who finds Mithridates first and leads a combined force against Ptolemy on the banks of the Nile. Julius Caesar has joined forces with his allies and is marching on Ptolemy's army. Ptolemy's position is fortified by nature. His hilltop camp is guarded by the Nile to the east, steep terrain to the south, and surrounded by marshes. Caesar must find a way to overcome Ptolemy's superior position and put an end to the Alexandrine War.
Commander! General! The Egyptians line up against us on the high ground. We must find a way to drive them off.
Jupiter gives us strength!
General! Legatus! General! Legatus!
Happy to serve Rome! Swords! Warriors eager for blood!
Archers! Missile infantry at your command!
Orders!
Advance
Ready!
at speed!
For the gods!
Archers!
Advance at speed!
Crewed and ready! Crewed and ready! Battle group ready! Ships at your command!
Support ships ready!
Ships ready! Assault ships reporting! Artillery ships ready! Oops. Ready and waiting.
Ready and waiting.
Commander! Double time! Artillery ships reported! Loose! Rude and ready! To the oars! Weapons ready! Ready, willing, and able. Show them steel! Ships at your command! Get at them! Mars, aid us! Support ships at your command! Now! Ready, willing, and able! Glory to Rome! Ships ready! Now! Assault ships ready to attack! Hack them down! Ships at your command! Weapons ready! Attack! Artillery at your command! Assault ships reporting! Get at them! Ships ready! Proud Romans all! Show them steel! Assault ships ready for orders! Attack! Increase speed! Artillery ships reported! By your command! Assault ships reporting! Firepower ready! Fire! Assault ships ready to attack! We await your command! Attack! Ready, willing, and able! Weapons ready! We await your command! Rome is mother to us all! Romans to a man! Quick march!
Swords! Take their heads!
Archers! Now! At speed! Missile infantry ready! Get fire! On the wretches! Romans ready for duty!
Hack them down!
Your orders!
Understood! Swords! Hack them down!
At your service! Take aim! Legatus! Ready and waiting! Fire on the enemy! Break off! At your command! Assault ships reporting! Firepower ready! Mars! General!
Break the lines! Quickly
Orders
now!
understood! Missiles awaiting targets! Fire! Evocati! Six
Ready! Make them bleed! Kill!
By your command! Fire on the enemy now! Evocati! Cohorts, harass! Engage! By awaits your command!
Back, man! Back!
Take aim!
Sword!
Commander, Ptolemy's army has been put to the sword, and word has it that he himself has met his end at the bottom of the Nile. A great day.